Hey guys, this is Mariam here. In this video, I'm going to make a whale out of cardboard. This is an late trend and I'm catching up to it. Let's get started. I had these cardboard pieces lying around. I'm going to use a bigger piece for the base of the whale. I am sketching out the whale and I will be cutting out the shape. I cut out some smaller pieces and stuck them to the base for some elevation. Then I crumbled some newspapers and stuck them for the shape of the whale. And I used some newspaper mesh to fill out the shape. After the paper mesh dried, I used paper tape to level out the shape. I was not satisfied with the leveling, so I used some tissue paper and glue for smoothing out the surface. I used some darker green and blue shades for the whale. Then I drew on the dots. And here we have it. You can hang it on your wall. Thank you for watching.